Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Japanese ebook before it's gone.
チェス、トランプ、読書。What do these words mean? Stick around. In this quick lesson, you learn Japanese hobby-related words. But first, did you know that there's a Japanese version of chess? How's it different? Keep watching for the answer at the end. 趣味 hobby 趣味趣味趣味は何ですか? What is your hobby? Steve discusses hobbies with Jack during a coffee break. 暇な時、本を読みます。読書が一番の趣味です。いいですね。どんな本が好きですか? チェス、チェス、チェス、チェス。Checkmate. Steve talks to Oscar about his mother. 母はチェスを教えています。すごいですね。チェスは素晴らしいスキルです。トランプ playing cards トランプ トランプ Popular card games here in Japan are ババ抜き、神経衰弱、七並べ、大富豪とかいろいろあります。Susan accidentally drops a deck of cards and Lina helps her. あ、ごめんなさい。トランプを拾ってもらえますか? いいですよ。読書 reading 読書読書 The first kanji means to read, and the second kanji means to write. 読書 reading. Read something written. Aya and Tom discusses their favorite pastime at the cafe. 読書は落ち着きます。そうですよね。いい本は最高ですよね。歌 song 歌 歌 You might get confused because both 歌 and 曲 can be translated as song in English. 歌 usually implies a song with lyrics, while 曲 can refer to both songs with and without lyrics. Susan and Tom listen to music. この曲大好きです。私のお気に入りの歌です。漫画 Manga 漫画漫画好きな漫画は何ですか? What is your favorite manga? Steve and Jack chat about their reading habits. どんな本が好きですか? 漫画が好きです。Let's review. You see the word in English and your job is to say the word in Japanese. Ready? Do you remember how to say hobby? 趣味趣味 and how to say chess チェスチェス How about playing cards? トランプトランプ Let's try reading. 読書読書 And how to say song. 歌歌 And finally, do you remember how to say manga? 漫画 Manga. Did you know that there's a Japanese version of chess? How's it different? Shogi, also known as Japanese chess, is a board game similar to chess, involving two players who strategically move pieces on a grid to capture the opponent's king. In Western chess, each piece has a fixed movement and captured pieces are removed from the game. But in Shogi, pieces can be promoted to move differently, and captured pieces can be brought back into play by the player who captured them. So Shogi is very popular in Japan and is known for its deep strategy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to practice these new words and phrases. And see you next time!